Hey everybody, this is Eartha. Welcome to this week's episode of Beauty Graffiti. Today's look is an alien. This look is pretty simple compared to several of my other looks, so you can either simplify it or go crazy. Do what you like, but it's a really fun, easy look. You'll want to start with your black. Today I'm going to be using Splurge Cream Shadow from Younique. And this is a beautiful color called Magnificent. It is a matte black and it works amazing. With a cream shadow, you definitely want to use a cream shadow brush that is paddled a little bit stiffer so you can really apply it the way you need to. So I'm going to get a bunch of it on my brush. Normally for makeup looks, a little goes a long way, but I mean regular daily makeup, but for art looks, I'm going to pile this on. I wanted to start making those eyes real big and start tracing out my face. First thing you're going to want to do is draw out your alien eyes. Next thing we're going to do is use the same black and contour some cheekbones and a very skinny little face down to the chin. So next guys, what I'm going to do is using the same black, which I'm almost out of, so I'm a little bit freaking out, is I'm going to contour my face with some cheekbones and go really slim down to make a skinny little chin and then fill the rest in black. The after look, I'm going to be actually having a black hood, so I'm not so concerned with blacking out my neck as much. So we're going to try to conserve some of this black, but I'm also going to darken it up with a black eyeshadow on top of the Splurge Cream Shadow. So let's go! So now that we have the basic shape of the black, I'm going to jump in with a really cool green. This is called Amused, and this is another Splurge Cream Shadow. So let's go. So this is the basics. This is the black and the skin tone green color. Right now, this color is actually half off on my site. It's called Amused. So if you want this by Halloween, definitely go grab it before it's sold out. Now, the devil's in the details. We're going to hit the details and make this look come alive. So now what I'm going to do is blacken up the Splurge Cream Shadow with a powder shadow from Addiction Palette 3. And this is also going to add a little bit more dimension to the black. So quick tip, one thing I like to do along the way is I'll actually stop and just take a photo, because so much can be seen in a photo that sometimes you can't see while you're doing your makeup look. So go ahead and just stop. If you're not sure, if you're going, did I really get the effect right? This would be me closing my eyes for this look. And so I took a photo to see, are my eyes black enough? Am I ready to go for the white highlights? If you like this video, absolutely leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you. Let's just chat in the comments, and if you have questions, I'm happy to answer them. Also, definitely give me a thumbs up and subscribe, because you will be a VIP subscriber and you will get those notifications of brand new uploads right to your inbox. Okay, thank you so much. Let's do this look.